Alright. Hello again, guys. Mr. Eve's back. So, if you remember last time in our last video, we just talked to some of our crewmates. Most of our crewmates. All of our crewmates, I think. So, now... excuse me, got something caught in my throat. So now, we're gonna go and get started on some of the missions. Turn down the volume a little bit. There we go. So we rescued Liara from the Therum, and then we talked to some of our people to see what they're up to. So now we have some choices to make. We can go to Noveria, we can go to Therum. You know, I kind of want to go to Noveria. That's where we can go. And that's to zip on over to...
Message coming in. Patching it through.
Commander Shepard, my name is Nasana Dantius. I have a job for you. I can't say any more in an unsecured communication. If you're interested in hearing my offer, meet me on the Citadel so we can talk in person. I'll be waiting in the Diplomat's Lounge on the Presidium.
Okay then. We'll have to meet her later. For now, let's go to Noveria!
Approach control, this is the SSV Normandy, requesting a vector and a berth.
Normandy, your arrival was not scheduled. Our defense grid is armed and tracking you. State your business.
Citadel business. We got a Council Spectre aboard.
Landing access granted. Be advised, we will be confirming identification on arrival. If confirmation cannot be established, your vessel will be impounded.
Oh,
what a fun bunch. I think I'll take my next leave here.
Alright, well, let's get going then. Gotta march up them there, crew. Gotta get out of here. Interesting. Bye, Joker. Have a good one. We're out. Okay, who are we taking with? Let's see. Let's take her. And Garrus. Alien Lady. Let's take the tank. Actually, no, we shouldn't. Yeah, let's take these two. Okay, there we go.
Equalizing interior pressure with exterior atmosphere.
Thank you.
The commanding officer is ashore. So Presley has the deck.
Dang right he does. Alright, so... Yes, thank you. Okay. Skip all those. Okay. So, I wanna see if we can give her some better armor really quick. Because, yeah, let's give her that. That's better. Okay, can we give her better gun? Yeah, she could probably use some better weapons. Boom. Does she have a shotgun? She does have a shotgun. Okay. Boom. There we go. Alright, and what about... Actually, yeah, let's look at what does our boy got. Yeah, he's fine. Alright, let's go. Oh my gosh, sorry about that. I'll get my throat. Here we go. Rex. Where'd Rex? Did he fall? Oh, wait. No. This was wrong. I didn't mean to do this. How do I put it away again? Oh god. I don't remember. Oh well, I guess we'll just have to, shoot them.
That's far enough.
Excuse you? Do we cooperate? Let's cooperate.
We're not here to cause problems.
This is an unscheduled arrival. I need your credentials.
You first.
Yeah.
We're the law here. Show some respect. I'm Captain Maiko Matsuo, Ilanis Risk Control Services.
I see, and
I'm a Spectre. My name is Shepard.
Load of horse crap, ma'am. We will need to confirm that. Also, I must advise you that firearms are not permitted on Noveria. Sergeant Sterling, secure their weapons.
Yeah, about that.
Don't try it.
Let's not start a fight.
Why not?
Captain Matsuo, stand down. We confirmed their identity. Spectres are authorized to carry weapons here, Captain.
You may proceed, Spectre. I hope the rest of your visit will be less confrontational. Parasini-san will meet you upstairs.
Damn right.
Behave yourself.
I don't trust you, Kyra. Nor do I. You with your pointy. That's a thing. It shoots stuff. I don't like it. Alright, so here we are. What are we doing here again? What are we doing in Noveria again? I don't remember. Noveria. Get interest. Okay. So I think we're looking at what Benezia is doing with
I am Gianna Parasini, assistant to Administrator Ananias. We apologize for the incident in the docking bay.
I appreciate your help.
Thanks. Whatever.
You're welcome. You understand our security chief was only doing her job. One of my duties is orientation of new arrivals. Do you have any questions?
Yeah. Why
Pretty
should I
heavy
die?
security for such a small port.
The executive board does everything in its power to protect the privacy of our client corporations.
Well,
I can't have my investigation hampered.
I am.
Tread lightly. The board can bury you in litigation. You'd need an Asari lawyer to see the case through.
Good to know.
Has anyone unusual
Are they,
passed
like,
through here recently?
lawyers, or...
Unusual? An Asari matriarch passed through a few days ago. Lady Benezia.
Benezia. She is here?
She
Passed
left?
through? Where is she now?
Benezia left for the Peak 15 research complex days ago. To the best of my knowledge, she's still there.
Could you tell me how to get there?
You'll need to ask Administrator Ananias for clearance to leave this port.
And how do I
Where
get
can I
in?
find the administrator?
His office is on the main level, left at the top of the elevator.
Thank you. I will be talking.
Understood. Can we go in now?
Of course. If you need any help, you can ask me at the administrator's office.
She is here. I can't believe it. I imagine you want to talk to me, Shepard. About my mother.
Don't worry about it.
No, I don't. I trust you, Liara. You may not be military, but you're part of my crew.
Exactly.
Thank you, Shepard.
I
That
trust
means
her.
a great deal to me.
She is Liara. Means something to somebody somewhere, like me, because I'm Shepard. Words are hard. In the morning
Welcome to
sometimes,
Port
guys.
Hanshan, the galaxy's most respected site for independent scientific research and development. For your own safety and to protect the privacy of others, you are required to obey any directions given by our security personnel.
Good to know.
If you have questions or concerns, our friendly administrative staff is always available. Thank you, and enjoy your stay.
I will try, but you guys make that hard to do. Business lady.
The managers warned us about you.
About me. But I am a humble spectre. I can do as I please. A merchant.
This one offers greetings. You are the Spectre that visits Port Hanshan.
I am, and I'm here to buy
Sure,
your
whatever.
stuff.
This is a store, right? Of course.
That was rather...
This one apologizes for inconveniencing you.
Stuff is so flippin' expensive. Look at that. I don't have nearly that. Sniper rifle. Ugh. God, that's expensive stuff. Okay, let's go. Where am I going?
I'm on duty, Spectre. I shouldn't be talking to you.
Well, that's rude. I'm going this way. If I remember. Am I going this way? There's so many places to go. There's down there, there's over there. There's wherever that leads. There's wherever this leads. Where does this go? Oh, this goes up. I think this is where we want to go. Perfect. Different music in the elevator is nice. Don't have to listen to all that nonsense like usual.
Excuse me, I need a moment of your time.
Who are you?
The male human at the hotel bar? He's a sales rep for Binary Helix. His name is Rafael Vargas. I need you to speak with him.
Uh-huh. And you are who?
Do you know who I am?
Everyone here knows who you are, Dullstone. That makes you ideal for my job.
Just kind
You
of
are a known
talking.
quantity, or so Vargas will think. He will assume you are here to
Yeah.
investigate his company's dirty laundry.
Anything else?
That will distract him
Weird.
from my real intentions.
What's going
I don't know
on?
anything about Binary Helix. What would I talk to Vargas about?
I represent the Aramali City Council on Thessia. Our town is known for its biotic amp crafters.
What is your city's interest in Binary Helix? They do not manufacture amps.
Much of BH's work relates to biotics. There are rumors that the Noveria branch has flown in Asari biotics. Powerful ones. Commandos, to be specific. We want to assess any potential risk to Asari copyrights. You will present yourself as a buyer, on behalf of the Spectres or the Alliance. Discuss their military enhancement programs. Your real objective will be to distract him. I will give you a device that will crack into his personal wireless network. It will upload a variety of monitoring viruses. They will infiltrate Binary Helix when he logs onto their intranet.
So what you're asking me to do is corporate espionage. Now, if I understand correctly, now seeing as I'm a Spectre, I could do that, but I'm not gonna.
I'll think about it.
Let me know what you decide.
That's legal changes. Who are you?
Afternoon. Sit down, have a drink. What can I do for you?
Who might you be?
Yeah, who are you?
Lorik Keen. For the moment, I am the manager of the Synthetic Insights Office.
For the moment?
Mr. Ananias closed my office. He claims to be investigating reports of my corruption. The administrator is an interesting man. He's become quite wealthy since he took direct control of rents.
Well, that's interesting.
By rents, you mean bribes for Ananias.
Indeed. I acquired evidence of Ananias' actions. His hired goons are ransacking my office to find it. I suspect your goal lies outside this port. Mr. Ananias would be disinclined to let you wander. If you recover the evidence from my office, I will give you my garage pass, as well as a sum of credits.
Did we just bypass? Sure.
You have a
let's do
plan?
I do. However, there is one other... What is that charming human expression? Fly in the lotion?
it. Soup?
Violence against Mr. Ananias' thugs may be necessary. He has members of Hanshan's security team searching my offices. He's paying them under the table. Miss Matsuo is unaware of their outside employment.
I'll focus on trying to get your evidence. If I'm lucky, I won't have to fight anyone.
Or we'll have to shoot.
Excellent. Here is my pass into our offices. It will activate the elevator. The evidence is on my office computer. This OSD contains an encryption key to access it. Slide it into the drive and it will auto-execute. Oh, and do try to keep bloodstains off the carpets, would you?
What sort of
Good. I don't think I'm supposed to mention numbers. They don't write them down on the desk.
Full benefits, of course.
Nothing back here.
Oh, sure. The company takes care of its own. Full
Alright, so
insurance,
how do we
vacation,
figure
subsidized
out-
housing. After a year, I'd start getting stock options.
Easy. Can I help you?
Oh yeah, you're that Vargas guy.
Can I help you?
Hi, Vargas guy. I'm gonna just wander up here, because I think this is where his office is located. You're a doorman!
I'm sorry. The hotel is off limits to those without a corporate account.
Well, that's a load of bull. I'm a Spectre, damn it. Let me in.
Don't hang up. Elder brother? It's me. I'm on Noveria now. I can't talk long. This call is costing 10 credits a minute. It's real time from the Traverse. Did you think it would be cheap? I need some information. There's an issue here with synthetic insights. The manager, Laura Keene, got caught with his toes wet. The office is closed by Hanshen's administrator. I need you to see what you can find out about... Are you ready for his name? Ronadril, Gan, Swa, Folsum, Keratin, Nar, Ead, Bella, and Elias.
That's a... what a name is
No,
that?
that's the administrator. The Hanshen administrator. Well, think about it. A Turian wouldn't risk getting his office closed. They don't compromise their team. That's drilled into them from boot camp. I think the administrator is using this Keene fella to draw flies from his own clutch. Of course I could look it up myself. But do you think I'm likely to get any unfiltered data through Noveria's own network? That, and it would take forever for it to happen.
Beat it.
Well, that's scary. Ugh. Oh, yes, alright, well, I think I'm in the wrong place. Something seems wrong here. So let's go around with other things, shall we? That music. Thank you, Malene Salis, no, whatever your name was, Lady Blue, sorry, woman. You're all blue. Shades of blue. You're not blue. Or not, Rex, you are. What are you? What color would you say that is? Gray? He's gray. With a red head. Big old red head-butting head. Elevators. There. So can I shoot people yet? No? I'm still not gonna shoot. What's up there? It's okay, let's go this way. You guys, what are we doing? Where are we going? We're going this way. Yes, we are. What's back here? There's literally nothing. Ugh, why would they do that to a person? Symmetrical design isn't worth it when it's not completely symmetrical, because I know there's a door over here. Don't make it symmetrical if you're not gonna let me in. You jerks better let me in. There we go. I'm extraordinarily confused right now. Hello, Gianna Paris.
How can I help you?
I'd like to speak to Annaleus.
One moment, please. Mr. Annaleus?
Yes, what?
Commander Shepard is asking to see you, sir.
Right, fine, come in.
Thank you, Gianna Parasini. I am here. Oh, that's a door. Hello.
You will excuse me if I don't stand up. I have no time to entertain refugees from that urban blight called Earth.
Oh.
I see you looked up my service record.
Only a fool enters negotiation without knowledge of the other party's tendencies. This greeting is a courtesy. I will only cooperate as required by the Executive Board. Businesses come here to avoid the second guessing of galactic law.
That asshole called me out for being an orphan from Earth. Alright, time to pull out the stock.
And I represent the second guessing of galactic law.
You're right.
Just so we understand each other. I will not allow you to harass our clients. This world is private property.
I've heard an Asari matriarch is
We're
here.
just going to leave
Benezia?
alone for now.
She arrived a few days ago, accompanied by a personal escort and some cargo. She's up at Peak 15.
What can you tell me about her cargo?
Large, heavy, and sealed. It passed weapons screening. Beyond that, it is not our concern.
What do you mean, personal escort?
The phrase is self-explanatory. Bodyguards attending to the safety of her person, mainly Asari commandos.
You let Asari who can kill you with their brains run around, but give us flack about guns?
They followed all our regulations. I had no reason to forbid Lady Benezia from taking them.
See, this is the sort of stuff why you need government regulations, because then you get these idiots.
What brought her out here?
If I knew, I wouldn't be at liberty to say. She came here as Agent Saren's executor.
Excuse me, his what?
Executor. Saren is a major shareholder in Binary Helix. Lady Benezia is authorized to act in his name. She's here on business for Binary Helix. There were issues at Peak 15 that required Saren's attention.
I'd like to see her, immediately.
I'm afraid that you cannot. Peak 15 is a private facility in the Skadi Mountains. Regardless, there is a blizzard in the area. Shuttles are grounded and surface access has been cut off.
Alright.
Surface access, you say?
Cut off, I said. The roads are not suitable for travel. Don't make an issue of this, Shepard.
I will make
Shepard, I am sure that there are other people here who could help us.
Back to my other questions.
Every minute of my time you waste costs the company 12 credits. I will keep a running tally.
Good, you ass.
Do you do business with Saren?
I believe I explained this already, did I not?
Good.
He's a major investor in Binary Helix Corporation, which is one of Noveria's backers.
Is Binary Helix developing weapons for him?
It's possible, given his interests. What our clients do in their labs is their business.
I have no more questions at this time.
Good. I received a dozen urgent messages while you dithered about.
God! I hate him. What's your name again? Who are you? Annaleus. Administrator Anna. Oh, God. Annaleus the ass.
How can I help you?
What can you tell me about literally anything?
Tell me about the companies that work on Noveria.
Over 250 high-tech firms rent our labs. Major shareholders include Elanus Risk Control Services, Binary Helix, and Synthetic Insights Limited.
Binary Helix? They work in genetics?
BH is a leader in genetics and biotechnology. They try to keep a low profile in the media. Much of their research is in biotic modifications. That angers many Luddite, organic baseline, and fundamentalist groups.
Yeah, that makes sense, because binary, too. Then the helix is the spinny spiral of like a DNA double helix. That's clever, and I haven't picked up on that one before. Alright,
haven't I seen Synthetic Insights in the news lately?
They're one of only 4 corporations licensed by the Citadel Council to develop artificial intelligence. They attract many protests. No agitators have ever breached our security. That's why they invest heavily here.
Well, that's, good.
I've taken up enough of your time.
Not at all, Spectre. This is my job, after all.
Well, at least you're nice, even if your boss is a bit ass. Freaking jerk. Alright, so let's look. Oh, wrong button. Okay, let's look at our mission. Okay. I'm gonna save quick. Sometimes this game does weird, awful things at this point in the mission. I once played this and got stuck here. Like, literally, I was trying to get out of an elevator and my character just got stuck and I had to restart. It was terrible. I'm hoping that doesn't happen this time. Okay, so that doesn't open. So, wait, I'm taking... Dang it! So wait, we're doing what now? We're going... So we're taking an elevator. Where's the elevator? So many options. Where the hell is this guy's office? I thought his office was nearby. recording stuff is kind of stopping me from being able to see everything I need to see, so I'm going to be using my phone to double check some stuff. Occasionally.
Can I help you?
Fine.
You're the Spectre, right? Management told us not to talk to you.
Management. This is where I'm supposed to go, I think. Nope, this is just a room.
What sort of offer?
Good. I don't think I'm supposed to mention numbers. They don't write them down on Ben's.
Full benefits, of course.
No, sure. The company takes care of its own. Full insurance, paid vacation, subsidized housing. After a year, it started getting...
Can't use any of those. How?
Don't hang up. Elder brother, it's me. I'm on Noveria now. I can't talk long. This call is costing 10 credits a minute. It's real time through the Traverse. Did you think it would be cheap? I need some information. There's an issue here with synthetic insights. The manager, Laura Keene, got caught with his toes wet. The office is closed by Hanshen's administrator. I need you to see what you can find out about... Are you ready for his name? Ronadril, Gon, Swa, Fosu, Keratin, Nard, Iegi, Bella, and Elias. No, that's the administrator. The Hanshen administrator. Well, think about it. A Turian wouldn't risk getting his office closed. They don't compromise their team. That's drilled into them from boot camp. I think the administrator is using this Keene fella to draw flies from his own place. Of course I could look it up myself. But do you think I'm likely to get any unfiltered data through the areas of the network? That, and it would take forever for any consistent search results to get back here. Thank you, Elder Brother.
So wait, how do I... Where am I going? Oh, I should have just used the map. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Yep, should have just used the map. That is what it's there for, Kyle. That is... Who? Kyle, what? Yeah, that's me. That is what it's there for, Eeps. That is what it's there for. You dingus. Alright, let's see. Where am I going? Upward's shop. That's the administrator's office. So go this way. Perfect. Going the right way, okay. So you put it over here. Oh, don't I feel stupid now? Yeah, I feel really stupid. Who the heck are you?
Spectre, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's me.
I used to be a military tech. Except for Maiko's people, everyone's too corporate here. They just sit around sipping expensive water. So what can I do for you today?
I have to go.
Nothing.
You need anything? I'll be here.
Okie dokie. Thank you, guy. Sorry. Something happened and I was looking at my phone. Unprofessional, I know, but sometimes you'll be called. Or people call. Either way. Alright, here we go.
Freeze! Hanshan security. This office is sealed.
I just got a Facebook message. Okay.
Laura Keene gave me a pass in.
Keene? Are you working for him? He's under investigation.
Oh, this is good.
I'm going in there and I don't want to hurt you. Why don't you just go? We'll pretend this never happened.
You want to cause trouble?
Well, that was unfortunate.
Enemy is everywhere!
My God, it's
lost shields! Enemy is everywhere!
Wait, no, another sniper. Oh, shit. Well, this was a lot more solid than I anticipated. Not a bad shot. Don't you ever kill my Liara.
Go, go, go!
Not now, Shepard. I'm a little busy here.
No, you're not, you God. I like that. We're just trying to chat. Not now! But I want to talk. No! But no! That's Shepard for you. All he wants to do is have a nice conversation. Does this look familiar to anybody? It's because it is. We're gonna take those. It's the exact same layout as the other place. Why am I crouching? Look at those legs. I am crap, man. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Oh, man. Alright. So I had to kill a whole bunch of people, which is unfortunate. But that's fine.
I don't think you're supposed to be in here, Shepard.
Well, how do we want to play this?
You have me at a disadvantage, miss.
Oh, now you're gonna show some respect? I'm Sergeant Kyra Sterling, Ilanis Risk Control Services. Ananias would throw you off-world for what you did here. I won't. You know what we did to cop killers on my world?
You're breaking the law for bribe money. You know what we do to dirty cops on my world?
I didn't want to fight them. They fired first.
Well, I don't need a gun to rip you to pieces.
Oh, shit.
I've lost shields!
Oh, God. Help! Ah! I don't like this. I don't like this. This is bad. Rex, this is bad. Alright. Rex, damn it. This is bad. So, that was fun, right? We all had enjoyed that. Killed bunch of guards.
I owe you.
That was fun. I was really hoping we wouldn't have to do that. At least leave a couple of them alive. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I guess they're dead. So that's nice. Wait, nice? It's something. It's something. Alright. Elevator, activate, bam! Why am I facing the wrong way? Because I want to talk to Rex, that's why. I want to talk to Big Daddy. Oh, hello.
Commander, there have been reports of noise from the Synthetic Insights office. Would you know anything about it?
It's probably Ananias' thugs ripping the place apart.
Smartass, huh? That's fine. I can work with that. Meet me at the hotel for a drink before you talk to Keen. I'll be waiting.
Ah! Well, oh, wait. Why am I going? Did I go? Which way did I? So do we talk to Keen first? Or do we talk to Gianna Parasini first? I'm kind of interested in what she has to say, so let's talk to that lady first, shall we? There we go, now I'm facing the right way. Because these jerks won't talk to me in this elevator. A-holes. Ugh. Look at that tentacle? Tentacles? What do you call those? It's not hair. Looks like hair. Not hair, though. Tentacles. They're things, alright. So there's Laura Key.
What sort of offer?
Good. I don't think I'm supposed to mention
where's
numbers.
the bar?
Full benefits, of course.
No, sure. The company takes care of its own. Full insurance, vacation, subsidized housing. After a year, it started getting stopped.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. Parasini, Noveria Internal Affairs.
Why is an internal affairs agent here?
The executive board knows about Ananias' corruption. I've been undercover for 6 months. I want you to convince Keen to testify before the board. With his evidence, this planet can run profitably again.
Why don't you ask Keen directly?
I'm Ananias' secretary. You'd think he'd believe me? That he'd meet me in some dark alley with his evidence?
Fair point.
I need Keen's garage pass to complete my mission.
You help my investigation, I'll provide whatever you need. Favor for a favor.
Also, fair point.
In the long run, it is better to remove the source of the problem.
Look, Shepard, I don't like this either. You Spectres play fast and loose with the law. That's bad for business.
Yeah, we do, but we have... Okay, fine.
Alright, I'll talk to Keen and see if I can convince him.
My cat is being very,
Thank you. You know where I work. Come talk to me once you know if he'll play ball.
Yeah, right, you little bee. Yeah, you want some legends? Oh, you want some legends? She wants legends. Oh, there you go. Okay, where is it? Ah, now I need to convince this guy. Lord.
Always a pleasure, Spectre. Any news on that matter I asked you to look into?
Yeah, so,
I finished the job, but an internal affairs investigator contacted me. She wants you to testify against Ananias.
Bam.
Now that you have my property, you want to dictate how I use it. I have no interest in a public spectacle.
Well, aren't you a cheery chap? You'd be a hero.
Everyone on this station is chafing under Ananias' extortion. You might end up a hero.
My employers rely on the goodwill of the executive board to work here.
If these executives don't blame Ananias for provoking this, they're fools. You should eat them.
Oh.
All right. It is obvious that I cannot dissuade you.
That was...
Very well. I will testify.
That was dramatic.
Make
right?
whatever arrangements you need with
them?
Your contact. I will wait here.
Eat them? That's... dramatic, alright. Okay, so what do we want to do? Got our charm most of the time. We need to up our Spectre training a bit. Fitness. Yes, I am. Fitness is important. What does the Yara got going? Bird not Rex, thank you. New equipment. Take all. Let me see. That's a color. That's a color. As for you, madam.
Well, are you willing to help me?
You think this uniform's just for show? My job is to enforce the law, not break it.
It changes.
Do you think the binary helix obeys all the laws? That they do not spy on other companies?
No.
What they might be doing somewhere else doesn't justify my acting against them here.
Very well, Spectre. I will be on my way.
You better. If it's not clear, I'm trying to get the Paragon scroll up. Okay. Because we're going to need it on the next games. While also maintaining a bit of a rogue quality. Cat wants back in that. I shall put her on. Or your kitty to the left. Now the kitty is shut. She is where she wants to. Yes, she can. Yes, she is. She's in my lap. Isn't that right, kitty? Yes, you are. And you make you very happy. Oh, you're giving me a hug. Okay, you do a shoulder hug. She's doing the shoulder hug where, you know, where they go up on your shoulder. Yeah, isn't that right, you big old loving big fat. No, you're not fat. She's not fat. She was fat. But now she's not fat. No, she's not. No, she's not. She is mean, though. When she doesn't decide to be loving. She's trying to decide which shoulder is best. Hello, Gina.
Spectre, have you given any more consideration to my offer?
Thank you.
It took some persuasion, but Keen has agreed to testify.
That's a world of stress off my back. I'll take the evidence for safe transport. I didn't think you'd help me, being a Spectre and all. I guess some of you can be alright.
And what about the garage?
So, how about getting me into the garage?
While you were working on Keen, I got you a garage pass. Be careful up there.
Girl, now you're just getting in the way.
I have an arrest to make. Wish I had time to change into something easy to move in. I hate skirts.
This is an outrage. I'll see that you never work in this sector again.
Yeah, get a move on.
You, Shepard! I demand you place this bitch under arrest!
Oh,
you have the right to remain silent. I wish to God you'd exercise it. See you around the galaxy, Commander. I owe you a beer.
Well, that music was out of nowhere loud. Alright, so we did it. We have done it. There we go. Bam. There's that jerk out of our hair. Alright. So, right now we're just gonna make our way down to the garage, which I think is this way. Actually, we're just gonna, like, go halfway to the garage. Then... okay. Perfect, so, let's see, that took 45 minutes. Holy cow. No wonder the time on these things goes up. Okay, so we're gonna go over to the garage. Hello, person.
Access to the garage is restricted.
Well, she sounds
Fine.
real.
I was just passing by.
Have a good day.
Alright, so I have a pass. What we're gonna do now, though, I'm gonna save here. And we're going to end the video right here. Alright, so this is the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a like, a share, subscribe, comment, all of the above. If you want to hear more about my little kitty witty, do the same things. Yeah, you're a good girl. She's gonna bite me in a minute now, I can tell. And then, yeah, like, share, subscribe, comment below. And this is Mr. Eeps. I will see you. She's biting me. She's biting me. I knew it. I will see you next time.